All right, we got a new. Now, first of all, I'm not sponsored by Milwaukee. I did pay for this with my own money, $229. Some staples. This is the M12. Going to be a great addition to my tool line. The M12 to my M12 fuel line. Not fuel. I'm sorry, M12 battery line. This is the 23 gauge pin nailer. That's for trim work. It's not. It's like a third hand. It's not like you want something to really hold tight. You want the all-round brad nailer 18 gauge. This is a 23 gauge. This is the unboxing. And what it is, it takes these pins up to 1 3/8, and you'll hold your molding, but you glue it, and then you trim your molding. It leaves a real small hole. Really exciting. There's some that stuff.
Oh, you do have to pre-glue
it's just
And what do you use for that?
Well, we're going to use Gorilla Glue. $12.
Great stuff.
A tube.
I've heard a lot of good things about
most expensive stuff Home Depot has, and so I'm going with the Gorilla name here for whatever reason. I'm an idiot.
I don't blame you.
So here's this stuff: clear jam nails and maybe we better hang on to that. Probably don't need that. Definitely don't need that. Anyway, that's that. Get rid of that. Now let's load this baby up. So first of all, the battery goes in somewhere. Oh, right here. I like this nice spring load thing here.
Don't break down.
Don't mess up your whole box of nails either.
No.
You want to take your nails out carefully because you don't want to mess them up like they are. Anyway, we'll figure out how to close that later. So here you got arrows on your pins. They're not nails, they're pins. And it's just simple, folks. Done. Now let's get us a battery in there. This comes with a kit with a 1.5 amp, but I have plenty of batteries. Now, when you pull this down, that's your safety. Now she'll fire.
You still gotta push the red against something.
She just fired. See?
It shot one out?
Yeah.
You don't have to push the red down?
Oh, maybe I did.
Safety thing?
Yeah, maybe. Yeah. Well, no, I don't think so. I think it fires.
Well, it sounded like it fired, but I don't know if anything came out of it.
Oh, yeah.
She hit. That's not good.
All right, so let's take a little piece of this stuff. This is some plywood.
Well, we want to get your regular 1x scrap pieces too to see how you want to dial it in. $15 a box. Don't waste them.
So all you gotta do is just hold down on the trigger. You don't have to keep releasing it.
Oh,
and
just
then it's just. See, they don't really leave much of a hole, do they? Really nice, huh?
Let's see.
Not much.
Oh yeah.
Now flip her over.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
So there you have it, folks. The new pin nailer from Milwaukee. Great little tool to add to your cabinetry, fine trim work. You got to use glue with them. It don't replace the 18 gauge nailer. This is a 23 gauge, but it's good for some really tiny fine finish work. And we're going to use it on the bus builds because we think it's going to work.
Okay, so there you have it. The unboxing of the Milwaukee pin nailer. No. And we'll show it in action later, and let's just see how it holds up.
Now, this isn't a toy, so don't go like shooting coffee out with it.
Yeah.
Or anybody with it. Don't do what I did.